How's it going, guys? We're gonna try a little trick today. We'll try to get this dent out using hot water. Let's go boil some water, see how this works. All right, we got the water boiling. Let's take it outside and give it a shot. All right, here we go. Try this out. What you gotta do is pour the hot water on the spot where the dent is, and let's see what happens. Try to get it everywhere around the dent. And after we get it all on there, get down and try to push it out from underneath. If it's on the side of your car, anywhere where you can get a plunger to it, pretty sure you just put a plunger and pop it right out. But for this dent, we got to get under there and try to pop it out, push it out with our hand. So, try this out, see how it works. Yep. There you go, guys. I guess it worked out. Hope this helps anyone out that needs to get the dent out. Doesn't look to seem perfect, but it's out compared to how it was. I guess you go in there and push a little bit more of it out. Try to get it out straight, but there you go. Boiling water, pour it on your car, onto your dents, and it should work to get them out. You seen how easy it was? That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps anyone out that needs to get their dents out. You've seen it before. There it is now. Have a great day.